Raphael Mr. Tackband 7286. We're taking it off from the top right now because that's where the camera's pointed. What this video is going to be basically about is expression. The expression of two in English, the expression of four, the expression of four in French and English, the expression of one, the expression of nuality, which in French, nu is neuf, and neuf is 9. So here's how it's going to go. Neuf means new, 4, 1. Okay, 9, 4, 1. But 4 is also an oven. A heater, an oven, could be a sun. But 4, or fourré, means to screw someone. So when 9 screws 1, he gets a child, in which that's called in the game of gematria, in the game of craps, is called yo 11. 7 come 11. 7 come 11 because from the gateway comes your 9 and Venus birth into this world. You get a 2 for 1. 2 for 1 means you give 1 up to get 2. That means in this scenario, when you give up 1 and you get 2, you end up with 2. But if I say 2 to 1, okay, it means you will put up 2 to my 1, I keep my 1, and I get your 2 and I have 3. 9 to 5 are odds. 8 to 5 are odds. So you're always getting these numbers, 9, 8, 7, 6. Then over here there is no 5 to 5 because 5 to 5 is even money. It is 1 to 1. The payout on this one over here, okay, at 6 to 5 is usually the minimum of $4.10 and could be up as high as $4.60. So 4-1 is your DNA, your Dan, and your 4-6 is your life cycle, and everything else partakes like an atom. But $6.25 is 25 times 25, or $1.50, or 1.5 times a value. 1.25 over the half is the minimum, 25 quarters. 5 quarters is what makes one area. Remember, we take one step forward before we ever get into the next territory. And we take that one step forward into the territory, we are still one step back into our territory. 2925 is our birth, gives us 1.75. But we are not fully born until we get 8.25. 8.25, 8 to 5 odds, 8 quarters equals 2. Now we're 1 in 1 life, 33 creation. But not until we are born do we get 8. 9.25 or 37 quarters. 225, 15 times 15. 1 to 5, 2, 3, 4. 1 to 5, 4, 3, 2. 6, 6, 6. 1 to 9, 1 to 9. 2 to 5 is 225. 225. 2 to 5 means $2 is put up to have $5 won. $5 is put up to have $2 won. 2 to 5. There's 1 to 5. There's also 1 to 5. When you have 1 to 5, I don't know why I didn't mark it, but that's okay. You also have 1 to 5. So 1 to 5 and 2 to 5 are both matches. 1 to 5 brings you into the 6th life. 1 1/4, which is right over here. 1.25 and 2.25. 1 1/4 is the difference between 5, and then it's 1 on every single level. Or 4 quarters, 4 quarters, 4 quarters, 4 quarters, 9, 8, 7, 6. The total of this is 17, 13, 30 is creation. 17 and 7 is 24, 30, 31. Altered current and creation. We'll bring this down 70, 99, 124. The bad cat, exchange for 2 for 1. And this is 4 to 5 is the minimum. After this, we get to 1 to 1. We're talking about everything before we get 1. We get 4.25. In this 4 to 5, 4 1/4, we've gotten our 1. We've gotten our 4, our 2, and our 5. 4 to 5 to get our 1. This will create our $1. At the same time, this will be 17 times 25 quarters. This will be 13 times 25 quarters. This will be 09 times 25 quarters. This will be 5 times 25 quarters. 525 is the earth life, and this one over here is your memory cycle, 512. So this is your 17, this is your 30, this is your 39, this is your 44. But 1 to 9 is an inside job. 1 to 9, it's hard to figure out this number. 1 to 9, what do we get? 1 and 29, 129. So all we can put here is 1 and 29, which is 1 quarter plus 4/5 of a quarter. It's 1 quarter, 1 times 25 plus 4/5. So if this was $1.50, how much actual money would this be? This will be 25 plus 4 parts of. So I can't actually figure this out right now in mathematics, but that's okay. All the quarters are earth life. This is the birth life. Creates 18, 1 and 8, angel heaven, and 11. The spirit of one spirit, one soul. 8, 4, 9. So when we go 1 to 99, that is the odds of 1 to 2, okay, to 99. What it means is 1 to 2, 2 to 2, no, there's never, is there 2 to, yes, 1 to 2 odds, 1 to 2 odds, 1 to 2 odds is an odds that pays $3. I forgot to mark that down, sorry, but 1 to 2 is an odds that pays $3. This one over here is 12 quarters. So this 124 that I was at before is now 136. We now have altered current touchdown. 1, 2. Why do we have this? Because 12 quarters more. 37, 70, 99, 124, 134, 136. Touchdown, extra point, field goal, 2-point play. So this whole scenario, we have $3 over here. $3, 6, 9, 16, 24, 33, $34. We now have $34. We now have DC relations. Altered current, deferred current, AC/DC. So this is your basic counting with odds. Raphael 7286 and a calculation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.